In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Binance gift card using the desktop website. Whether you've received a gift card as a present or you're exploring new ways to fund your account, this process is quick and simple. So, let's get started, and I'll walk you through each step. First things first, let's head over to the Binance website and log into your account. If you're not already a member, you'll need to sign up. But for those who are ready to proceed, enter your credentials and log in. Make sure you're on the desktop version of the site for this tutorial, as the interface is slightly different from the mobile app. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Your next move is to locate the gift card section. To do this, scroll down to the very bottom of the page. Sometimes it's easy to overlook, but there you'll spot the gift card link nestled among various other options. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll find yourself on the gift card page where all the magic happens. Here, you're going to see an option to enter your redemption code. This is the unique 16-digit code that you should have received with your gift card. Take a moment to carefully enter it into the provided field. Double-check each digit for accuracy to avoid any mishaps. With your code in place, it's time for the main event. Click the Redeem button. This is where the excitement begins, as the funds associated with your gift card are instantly transferred to your Binance account. More specifically, they will be credited directly to your spot or funding wallet, whichever you prefer to use. And there you have it. Your gift card has been successfully redeemed, and you can now view the funds in your wallet. From here, you're free to use your credited funds in any way you choose. Whether you're looking to buy, trade, or invest, you've just added more resources to your financial endeavors. A quick tip. If your funds aren't appearing right away, don't panic. Just give it a moment, and if they're still delayed, ensure you're checking the correct wallet, the spot or funding wallet. It's always a good idea to review your account activity to ensure everything has processed correctly. That's all there is to it. With this guide, you should now have no trouble redeeming any future Binance gift cards you come across. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has made the process clearer and more approachable. Be sure to keep this in mind next time you're ready to redeem another card, and feel free to refer back to this video whenever you need a refresher. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.